Hi, I'm SIJUN. I was graduated from Parsons and I major in fashion design. Now I'm running my own fashion business brand and I love art and I'm making things beautiful. Today I'm making this bag, looks more special for Easter. Why the bag? Because riding bags makes me feel happy and help our planet eco-friendly. And Easter is about a new life, so let's make bagging colorful. My inspiration for this bag, I was inspired by the spring, and I used the two main colors of the Easter festival, which is the orange and the contrast with the blue. They always touched my heart is the spring. When I'm bagging, I feel like I'm a rabbit and running freely and feel the freedom. Waving through, enjoy the thrill of speed. This bag isn't just for riding, it's like a moving painting. It makes me feel like confidence and spreading joy and celebrating Easter and spring. I really want you to see this world as a canvas and let's make it colorful together.